Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. If you are looking for a compact and discreet dash cam that can record high-quality videos and offer smart features, you might want to check out the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. This tiny device is only the size of a car key, but it can capture 1080p footage with a 140-degree field of view, ensuring that you don't miss any important details on the road. It also has voice control, so you can start and stop recording, save videos, or take pictures with simple commands. But what makes the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 stand out from other dash cams is its connected features. With the Garmin Drive app, you can view and share videos from your smartphone, and even sync up to 4 cameras to create a 360-degree view of your vehicle. You can also use the app to monitor your vehicle while away, thanks to the parking guard feature that alerts you of any incidents that occur when your car is parked. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is a great option for anyone who wants a reliable and easy-to-use dash cam that doesn't take up much space on the windshield. It's currently available on Amazon for $129.99, which is a reasonable price for its features and performance. Visit the Garmin store to learn more about this product and see what other customers have to say about it. Car key-sized dash camera mounts discreetly behind rear view mirror and goes virtually unnoticed, automatically records and saves video of incidents. Wide 140-degree lens records 1080p video with Garmin Clarity HDR optics for crisp detail day and night. Voice control, only available in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian and Swedish, lets you use spoken commands to save video, start-stop audio recording, take still pictures and more. Saved videos automatically upload via Wi-Fi connection to the secure online vault to view and share later. The parking guard feature requires constant power and an active connection with Wi-Fi technology. Access via the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone, monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts if an incident is detected. Access the camera remotely for live view monitoring, requires constant power and an active connection with Wi-Fi technology. Access via the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone, when you are away from your parked car. Get more awareness around your vehicle using the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone to view video from up to 4 dash cams, sold separately. Durable design withstands harsh vehicle environments, including direct sunlight and hot temperatures. Includes dual USB charger, giving drivers an extra USB charging port. Requires at least 8 GB microSD card, supports up to 512 GB, class 10 or faster, not included. Frame rate, up to 30 fps. Field of view -140 degrees, diagonal. Dash cam auto sync, yes, up to 4 cameras. Mobile app to review videos, yes, Garmin Drive app.